Hey guys, today I wanted to talk to you about the Sony ICD-UX560 personal recorder. Now this is labelled as a digital dictation machine, but to be honest with you, there's so much more you can do with it. This is an absolutely wonderful bit of kit. As you can see here, here's all the specs. You can pause the video so that you can read through them. But it can record in WAV format, MP3 format up to 192 kbs. The thing that attracted me to it the most though is the fact that it's so tiny. This thing is easily the smallest recorder I've ever seen that has the features that this has. So obviously it has its built-in microphones that you can see at the top here. But as you can see, it also has a headphone jack and actually a 3.5mm input, so you can actually plug in a lav mic. Now that's really good if you're filming weddings or something like that and you want to put it in the groom's pocket, because it's absolutely tiny. It can have a micro SD card for extra expansion. And the other thing that's really cool about it is you see this little button here. If you slide that forward, you plug it straight into the computer without any need for any cables, which is brilliant. I've done some sound tests with it so you can have a listen. I've left everything as default on the sound test but changed the modes, so whether it's high microphone sensitivity, medium microphone sensitivity, low and auto, so you can see what you think for yourself. I've also tried recording some music through one of our massive speakers to see what the quality is like if you were going to take it to any concerts or anything like that. Now, you also get this pouch with it, which is a very nice little pouch. It slides in there like that, no problem at all. It's got lots of different modes, so you can set it for meetings, you can set it for lectures, you name it. And then obviously if you were recording instruments, if you went to a concert, you can do that. Just to sort of ram home how small this is, I've also got the really popular Zoom H1 here. And I mean, look at the size difference. The Zoom H1 is not a particularly massive device, it's quite tiny itself. There's not a great deal of difference in the sound quality of these either. Even though the microphones in this are much bigger, the Sony does a really admirable job. So anyway, here's some sound tests, see what you think. Any questions, feel free to comment below. This is a test for the Sony ICD-UX560 on automatic mic sensitivity. This is a test for the Sony ICD-UX560 on high microphone sensitivity. This is a test for the Sony ICD-UX560 on medium microphone sensitivity. This is a test for the Sony ICD-UX560 on low microphone sensitivity. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything.